Good day, student. Today we continue our lecture, Introduction to Organic Chemistry. The theme of our lecture is alcohol. The plan of our lecture can include the next part: Introduction to alcohol, nomenclature of alcohol, classification, preparation, and the physical property of alcohol. Introduction to alcohol. What is alcohol? An alcohol is any organic compound in which a hydroxyl functional group OH is bound to a carbon atom, usually connected to other carbon or hydrogen atom. Alcohol are organic derivatives of water HOH in which one of the hydrogen atoms H is replaced by an alkyl group R. The general formula of alcohol is ROH. Next part of our lecture, name of alcohol. I repeat name. We replace the E in alkene name with O, common name, as simple alcohol using the name of the alkyl groups followed by alcohol. For example, CH3OH, name methanol or methyl alcohol. CH3, CH2, OH is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Forget name of alcohol, we use the next rule. Step 1. Select the longest carbon chain that contains the OH groups. Step 2. Number from the end nearest hydroxyl groups. Step 3. Change the ending of parent alkene from E to O. Use the number to show the location of hydroxyl group. And step 4. Give the location and the name of each subject unit by alphabetical order as a prefix to the name of main chain. For example, the first compound contains 3 atoms of carbons and the hydroxyl group connect with the first atom of carbon, and the name of these substances is 1-propanol. Second compound contains 3 atoms of carbon too, but hydroxyl groups connect with second atom of hydrogen, and the name of these substances is 2-propanol. Such compound can include 2 chains of atoms. The longest chain of atoms include 6 atoms of carbon, and the short chain include 2 atoms of carbon. Hydroxyl group connect with second atom of carbon, and the name of these substances is 5-methyl-2-hexanol. Part 3. Classification of alcohol. The first classification, depending on the position of hydroxyl groups. The hydroxyl group of alkyl alcohol can be positioned on different carbon atoms of the carbon chain, and they are classified as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol include carbon atom hydroxyl group which connect only one alkyl group. In the secondary alcohol, C and the hydroxyl group connect with 2 alkyl groups, and the tertiary alcohol, C and the hydroxyl group connect with 3 alkyl groups. Classification 2, depending on the number of hydroxyl groups. Monohydric alcohol, this contains only one hydroxyl group. Dihydric alcohol or diol, this contains 2 hydroxyl groups. And the trihydric alcohol, triol, this has 3 hydroxyl groups. In the first compound, contain 2 atoms of carbon and the 2 hydroxyl groups, and the name of these substances is 1,2-ethanediol, ethylene glycol. Second compound has 3 atoms of carbon and the 2 hydroxyl groups. The name of these substances is 1,2-propanediol or propylene glycol. Such compounds has 3 atoms of carbon and the 3 hydroxyl groups, and the name of these substances is 1,2,3-propandiol, glycerol or glycerin. Second part, preparation of alcohol. Alcohol are derived from many types of compounds. The alcohol hydroxyl can be converted to many other functional groups. For example, alcohol we can produce from next compound: alkyl halides, ester, carboxylic acid, alkenes, ketones, aldehydes, and ester. This reaction used in organic synthesis. Preparation of alcohol, different types. Primary alcohols we can produce by 3 types of reaction: substitution nucleophilic 2, reduction, and the Grignard reaction. Secondary alcohol we can produce by 4 reactions: substitution nucleophilic 1, substitution nucleophilic 2, reduction, and the Grignard reaction. Tertiary alcohol we can produce by 2 reactions: substitution nucleophilic 1 and Grignard reaction. Next part, physical property of alcohol. The solubility of alcohol. The hydroxy group decides of solubility of alcohol in water. Alcohol are polar molecule because OH bonds and the CO bonds have different electronegativity. Second property, alcohol have higher boiling point than alkanes, alkenes, and alkyl halides. And the third, alcohol is acidity. The next video, you can see change of solubility.
Hydroxyl groups in alcohol molecules can also interact with water molecules by forming hydrogen bonds. The positively charged hydrogen atom of an alcohol molecule is attracted by the negatively charged oxygen atom of a water molecule. In this way, water molecules become surrounded by alcohol molecules. Because of the strong interactions between the hydroxyl group and water molecules, short-chain alcohols such as methanol, ethanol, and propan-1-ol will mix with water in any proportions. However, as the carbon chain lengthens further, the solubility of the molecules drops rapidly. Because the increasing hydrocarbon moieties of the alcohol molecules do not have a tendency to associate with water molecules.
When molecular weight of alcohol increases, solubility of this alcohol decreases. The next video you will see change the boiling point of alcohol.
In the homologous series of primary straight-chain alcohols, the boiling points systematically increase with increasing molar mass of the alcohols. As with other compounds, this is due to the increasing size of the molecule, and at the same time, increasing intermolecular dispersion forces. However, alcohols have distinctly higher boiling points
In the finish of our lecture, I want to wish you exercise which you do at home.